5 Best Digital Multimeter. At number 5. Professional Digital Multimeter DT9205A Multimeter Tester, Model DT9205A. Color yellow. Material ABS. DC voltage, 200 mV to 1000 volts. AC voltage, 200 mV to 750 volts. AC/DC current, 2 mA 20A. Power supply: 6F22 9V battery not included. At number 4. ANENG 628 Digital Smart Multimeter Transistor Testers. Multimeter features a clear, easy-to-read LCD display, with white backlight. Portable and compact design. Data retention. Low voltage symbol display. Background light function. Pass measurement. Maximum display, 1999 input resistance, 1 meter ohms triode measurement, plug and play, NPN triode, display size, 45 by 18 mm electric pool, 9 volts, 6F22, battery is not included. At number 3. ANENG 8205C Digital Multimeter AC/DC Ammeter. Multimeter features a clear, easy-to-read LCD display, with white backlight. Portable and compact design. Data retention. Low voltage symbol display. Background light function. Pass measurement. Maximum display, 1999 input resistance, 1 meter ohms triode measurement, plug and play, NPN triode, display size, 45 by 18 mm.
Measurement, DC regulated power supply and measurement.
At number 2. HT118 Professional High Precise 6000 counts, brand name, Probodist. AC current, 10A. AC voltage, 750 volts. Measuring resistance range, 660 ohm. Operating mode, auto, manual. Measuring inductance range, NA. DC current, 10A. DC voltage, 1000 volts. Measuring capacitance range, 100 mF. Dimensions, 100. At number 1. UNI-T Tester Digital Multimeter Professional UT191T UT191E. The UT191E/T is a high reliability, high security, full-featured handheld industrial multimeter. Fully meet the needs of industrial users who use heavy loads. Waterproof and dustproof digital multimeters. Equipped with auto backlight and flashlight, can works in dark environment. Display count, 6000. Sampling rate, 3.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.